ኦኬ የዛሬው ደግሞ ስለ ባይኖሚያል ፋንክሽን ነው ይዘን የመጣ ነው ማለት ነው። ኢን ዘ ኤክስፓንሽን ኦፍ 2x ፕላስ 1 ኦቨር x ዘ ፓወር ኦፍ 8 ፋይንድ ዘ ሰቨንዝ ተርም ኤንድ ኢትስ ኮኤፊሽንት። ሰከንድሊ ፋይንድ ዘ ኮኤፊሽንት ኦፍ x ዘ ፓወር ኦፍ 6 ኤንድ ዘ ሰርድ ዋን ፋይንድ ዘ ኮኤፊሽንት ኦፍ ዘ ኤዝ ተርም። ሰው ሁለቱም ለመስራት እንሞክራለን። ሶስተኛው ኮሜንት ላይ መልሳችሁን እንፈልጋለሁ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ የመጀመሪያው ለመስራት ምን እናደርጋለን ማለት ነው። ፖሊኖሚያል ፋንክሽን ዘ ፓወር ኦፍ የሆነ ቁጥር ስንፈልግ ሁሌ ፖሊኖሚያል ፋንክሽን ባይኖሚያል ቲየረም ነው መጠቀም ያለብን ማለት ነው። ባይኖሚያል ቲየረም ሳይዝ ዛት ኤክስ ፕላስ ዋይ ዘ ፓወር ኦፍ ኤን ኢኳልስ ቱ ዘ ቫሊዩ ኤክስ ዘ ፓወር ኦፍ ኤን ፕላስ ኤን ፋክቴሪያል 1 ታይምስ ኤክስ ዘ ፓወር ኦፍ ኤን ማይነስ 1 ታይምስ ዋይ ፕላስ ኤን ፋክቴሪያል 2 ኤክስ ዘ ፓወር ኦፍ ኤን ማይነስ 2 ዋይ ዘ ሆል ስኩዌር ፕላስ እያለ ይቀጥላል። ሶ ኤን ኦቨር ኤን ማይነስ 1 ፋክቴሪያል ታይምስ ኤክስ ታይምስ ዋይ ዘ ፓወር ኦፍ ኤን ማይነስ 1 ፕላስ ዋይ ዘ ፓወር ኦፍ ኤን የሚለውን ባይኖሚያል ቲየረም ፋንክሽን ይጠቀማል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ሌትስ ሶልቭ ዚስ ዋን። ወደ ሶሉሽን ስንሄድ 2x ፕላስ 1 ኦቨር ኤክስ ዘ ፓወር ኦፍ 8 ሚንስ ሌት x equals to 2x and y equals to 1 over x. So let's substitute the values x and y. So ምን እናደርጋለን ማለት ነው እዚህ ጋር x the power of n, x means 2x, so 2x the power of n means 8 plus 8 factorial 1 and factorial 1 means so x n minus 1 means 8 minus 1 7 times y plus n factorial 2 8 factorial 2 then x the power of n minus 2 8 minus 2 that's 6 times y square plus 8 factorial 3 so x the power of 5 times y cube yes plus 8 factorial 4 so x the power of ስንት ማለት ነው 4 y the power of 4 plus 8 factorial 5 so x the power of ስንት ማለት ነው ይሄ 5 3 x the power of 3 times y the power of 5 yes plus 8 factorial 6 x the power of 2 times y the power of 6 plus 8 factorial 7 x the power of 1 times y the power of 7 plus 8 factorial 8 x the power of 0 y the power of 8 is the function. so ባይኖሚያል ቲየረም በዚህ ነው የሚሰራ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ምን እናደርጋለን እዚህ ጋር 2x the power of 8 plus 8 factorial 1 ማለት 8 ነው ይሄ times x the power of 7 x means 2x so let's substitute this one 2x the power of 7 times y means 1 over x so plus 8 factorial 2 ማለት ስንት ነው ማለት ነው 8 factorial 2 28 ነው so 28 x the power of 6 means 2x the power of 6 times y the whole square means 1 over x the whole square so plus 8 factorial 3 8 factorial 3 is 56 so 2x the power of 5 times 1 over x the power of 3 okay let's continue like this so plus 8 factorial 4 8 factorial 4 is 70 so this one is 2x the power of what 4 y the power of what 4 1 over x the power of 4 so plus 8 factorial 5 8 factorial 5 is 56 so 56 2x the power of 3 times y means 1 over x y means 1 over x the power of 5 so plus 8 factorial 6 is 28 8 factorial 6 is 28 so x means 2x the whole square times y means 1 over x the power of what 6 so plus 8 factorial 7 is 8 so x means 2x this value x means 2x the power of 1 so y the power of 7 y means 1 over x so 1 over x the power of 7 plus 8 factorial 8 1 x to the power of 0 1 1 times 1 1 8 to the power of 8. This means 1 over x the power of 8. ኦኬ አሪፍ የሄድን ነው። ስለዚህ እዚህ ጋር ምን እናደርጋለን ማለት ነው? here it is 2x the power of 8 plus here it is 8 times 2 the power of 7 8 times 2 the power of 7 x the power of 7 times x the power of negative 1 x the power of 7 times 1 over x means x the power of negative 1. So plus 28 times 2 the power of 6 28 times 2 the power of 6 times x the power of 6. So x the power of 6 times x the power of negative 2. So plus 56 times 2 the power of 5 56 times 2 the power of 5 times x the power of 5 times x the power of negative 3 plus, let's continue like that, 17. So 70 times 2 the power of 4 times x the power of 4 times x the power of negative 4 x the power of 4 times 1 over x the power of 4 means x the power of negative 4. So plus 56 times 2 the power of 3 56 times 2 the power of 3 times x the power of 3 times x the power of negative 5 x the power of 3 times x the power of negative 5. So plus 28 times 2 the whole square 28 times 2 the whole square times x 2 times x the power of negative 6 x square times 1 over x the power of 6 means x the power of negative 6 plus, okay, እዚህ ጋር ደርሰናል። So 8 times 2 the power of x times 2. So x times the power x with the power of 1. Here it is x the power of with negative 7. So plus, here it is x the power of negative 8 lastly. Okay, ስለዚህ ምን እናደርጋለን ማለት ነው? 2x 8 plus 8 times 27 x the power of 6 plus 28 times 2 the power of 6 to the power of 6 x the power of 6 minus 2 4 plus 56 times 2 the power of 5 56 times 2 the power of 5 x the power of 5 times x the power of negative 3 means x the power of 2. Yes, okay, plus 70 times 2 the power of 4 7 times 2 the power of 4 x the power of 4 times x the power of 4 x the power of 0. This means 1. Okay, plus 56 times 2 the power of 3 56 times 2 the power of 3 x the power of 3 times x the power of negative 5 means x the power of negative 2. Okay, plus next 28 times 4 28 times 4 x the power of 2 times x the power of negative 6 means 2 minus 6 negative 4. Okay, plus 8 times 2 16 times x the power of 1 times x the power of negative 7 is x the power of negative 6 plus x the power of negative 8. Okay, እዚህ ጋር ደርሰናል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ the question is, so ጥያቄው ምን ይላል ማለት ነው? ከላይ ያለው ጥያቄ ምን ይላል? the question is in the expansion of 2x plus 1 over x to the power of 8 find the seventh term and its coefficient. Okay, find the seventh term and its coefficient. Okay, this one is the first term, this one is second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, and the seventh term is this one. Okay, the seventh term is this one. So the seventh term is this one. So the seventh term is 28 times 4. This one is the seventh term times 4 x the power of negative 4. This one is seventh term. Okay, and the question says find the coefficient. So the coefficient is multiply this number. So 28 times 4 is 112 is the coefficient of this seventh term. So the coefficient is this one, but the seventh term is this function. So the next question is find the coefficient of x to the power of 6. So x to the power of 6 is find here. 8 times 2 to the power of 7 x to the power of 6. So 8 times 2 to the power of 7. So when we multiply these numbers, so 8 times 2 to the power of 7 is the coefficient of x to the power of 6. So this implies that this one is the coefficient of x to the power of 6. So the third one is find the coefficient of the eighth term. This one is I need your answer at the comment section. ኮሜንት ላይ መልሳችሁን ፈልጋለሁ። አመሰግናለሁ።